My bad, y'all. Okay. Thank you, Winston. You as well. Y'all, did it go up? I don't even see it. Let me see. I don't even think it did it. Man. Alright, we're gonna. Alright, we're gonna. I don't have a lot of Alright, this is just asking where I should stream. I said I want to do like one-on-one cooking with y'all. I want to do movie night, stuff like that. So what app would y'all want me to do it on? We have TikTok, but it's subscriber only. We have Twitch, Kick, and YouTube. I think I'm gonna do it weekly, and we're gonna figure out people's work schedules and what day work for everybody and stuff. So I'm gonna make a group chat and stuff, but we're gonna have like certain hours where we cannot text and stuff, but we're just gonna have a group chat and stuff so we can figure out what works for everybody. And then y'all can go in there and chat with me and ask me, like, you know, when I'm gonna post, stuff like that. All right, y'all, we got Twitch and we got YouTube. So now we finna go back and go between Twitch and YouTube, because those are the only two. Edit. Take off TikTok. Oh. All right, y'all. Y'all let me know something. All right, I gotta step out. I think they just put my phone back here. Ooh, this better not be no big one. Oh, this looks big. I should have never told them I had a big car, because I don't think you had to verify your. I'll be back. Y'all got 20 seconds. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Oh my gosh. I know this shit got like 50 in here. I hate that shit, man. Alright, let me see before I. It didn't even go up.